Good morning, YouTubers. It's a kind of cool day and cloudy day here. Try to get a few things done, but one of the things I wanted to show you today is a problem that many of you have probably already had, and that is sometimes when you've got your hose connected to your outside faucet due to weather, heat, cold, whatever it is, you sometimes have a very difficult time getting the hose off of the outside faucet. Oftentimes you might have to get a pair of channel lock pliers to undo that. In this particular case, mine's not frozen on so much, but what I wanted to show you is if you just take the hose off and then you get some of this Teflon tape. You can buy it at any hardware store. It's just a Teflon tape. What I do is just take and break off a small piece, and then if you take that and wrap it around the threads, got to get it straightened out here just a little bit. There we go. But I wrap that around the threads, and then just wrap that a few times. And then when you put your hose back on, that creates a little barrier between those a hard time getting it on there. There we go. Anyway, when you've wrapped that on there, now that creates a little barrier between the two different metals so that they don't stick to each other. You should be able to take that off with just your hands rather than using a tool. It's a little item, but it certainly makes things more convenient when you do it that way. Try this little Teflon tape situation on your outside faucets. I think you'll find them much easier to work with. And again, appreciate you tuning in. Hope you'll subscribe to the channel. As I have indicated before, I am very new at this, so I'm still trying to learn the skills, but I guess I'm kind of living proof that you can teach old dogs new tricks. So again, thanks. Hope you'll subscribe. Have a great day. Thumbs up to you, and if you'll give a thumbs up to me, have a great day.